Okay, what we're doing, it is 12:30 at night, and we're at Possum's, aka Jesse's house. We got the chainsaw, I got the mask, we're gonna go into his room, and...
Scare the living shit?
Scare the living shit out of him. Okay.
Alright.
So...
Could you imagine what a cop would think right about now? Let's go scare our little partner in crime.
We have to be very quiet. Is it rolling?
Oh, it's running.
Hey, we're here.
It's alright, no. No, don't bark. No, don't bark.
Must not have been too much of a sleep.
Okay, buddy?
I'm gonna be scarred for the rest of my life.
Yeah, I borrowed it from Jason.
Well, come on. I'm waiting for a smart comment.
Give it back.
Okay, that was what we're saying at the 12:30.
12:30?